TV, Nairobi.
Ikruok dhi nyime motelo ne limbe mar Jatend Piny Kenya William Ruto e kaunti ma Migori chieng' Jumapil mar jumani. Okinyi ma kawuono jaod bura mauriri mak Nyamita mane obedo kod romo kod County Commissioner David Gitonga ne wacho ni Jatend Piny Kenya dhi limo gwenge mag Uriri kod Kuria chieng' Jumapil. Gitonga oyango ni ginywando ten kaunti ma Migori e biro Jatend Piny Kenya kawacho ni okinyi ma kawuono ne obedo kod romo kod jalup gavana ma Migori Joseph Mahiri.
We were to have a meeting with the governor and he was a bit late. In fact, we had them here in my office by 8. And we've agreed with them whatever we'll discuss with him, and they will also follow up with him. We're working together as a team already. We've made necessary security arrangement, and we're requesting the people to come, welcome the president, and we have a successful event.
We do hope that all the leaders, both from the county government and my colleague members of parliament and all leaders from this region, are going to come out to help us welcome the president. So I don't foresee an issue, because there's nothing really people are fighting about. It's about development, and we welcome the president.
Governor ma County ma Mombasa